Hello trader. Beginners, thinking about how to make money on binary options, set a lot of indicators, arrows and alerts on the chart. Much information does not improve results. Simple tools are enough for stable profit, as in the follow the money strategy. To start trading on the VFX Alert website, select the license that suits you, or free signals with limited functions available immediately after registration. Then download and install the program for your computer. You can trade on recommended brokers or add your in the program settings. Let's move on to strategy and signals. The strategy uses three technical indicators. Donchian channel DC. The horizontal direction of the DC lines confirms the presence of a flat. The breakdown of center lines will be the binary signal of its end. If the range is wide enough, you can open options to roll back from the borders. Parabolic SAR. Determine the direction of the short and medium-term trend. Indicator points are below the price and directed up, an uptrend. Higher prices and directed downward, a downtrend. Vortex. The indicator consists of two lines showing the direction and strength of the trend. By default, the uptrend plus line is green, for downtrend minus line it is red. The line at the top shows which trend is currently on the market. The beginning of the flat will be the intertwining of lines, as in alligator, followed by a horizontal movement. All indicators with basic setting. After installing the tools, the terminal's working window looks like this. On the screen, trading signals and open options when the following conditions are met. Call up option. The price is above the parabolic and the Donchian middle line. On Vortex, the plus line is higher than the minus line. There are more uptrend buyers on the market. Put down option. Opposite conditions. The price is below the parabolic and Donchian channel's middle line. Vortex shows dominance of buyers. Minus line is higher than plus line. There are no restrictions on currency pairs. It is quite possible to use the period of 1 minute, and options with an expiration of 5 minutes. Euro-Yen. Strong downtrend. Parabolic is far from the price chart, the trend will continue. Vortex and VFX Alert confirm the put option. I will open only one option so as not to get a big loss. If there are several false signals for the strategy or VFX Alert, the narrower the Donchian channels, the higher the likelihood of strong movement after flat completion. The opposite situation is necessary for trading on the edge of borders. The corridor must be at least 30 to 40 points, otherwise, the options will be unprofitable. Even if binary options software show the right direction. The trend has stopped a little, maybe there will be a first pullback. There should be enough time to close in profit. We recommend opening a deal on the second candle after the breakdown of Donchian lines. 30 seconds before expiration. The price is near the opening level. Moving even 1 point from the opening price. Can complete the option with a profit. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. Pound yen. The situation is the same as in the first auction. On indicators and VFX alert the signal of the second put auction. In addition to indicators, look at the chart for technical and graphical patterns. They can cancel even the strongest technical signal. Patterns such as head and shoulders or doji require special attention. For additional filtering of signals, you can add an overbought and oversold oscillator. Vortex shows only global changes in the market situation. It does not determine when the trend reversal will begin and when the auction will open. Oscillators like RSI, stochastic or MACD work well with it. On the 1-minute time frame, we choose the number of periods from 14 to remove the maximum noise. The downtrend continues slowly, the auction is in profit. We are waiting for the expiration. Sideways trend near the opening level. Parabolic is far from price, downtrend continuation is more likely. The second auction is a plus again. Reversal of the trend for the euro pound. On Vortex, there are equal forces of buyers and sellers. But the indicators and VFX alert confirm the downtrend. The third put option. Choose currency pairs with medium to high volatility. Cross pairs with yen and pound work well. During the day, there are many quick pullbacks and corrections on them along the current trend. We open short-term options on them as in our strategy. On major pairs such as the euro-dollar or the Canadian dollar, it is recommended to trade on large time frames of 15 and 30 minutes. There, the Vortex indicator gives fewer false signals. The balance of power between buyers and sellers changes more slowly. It is necessary to increase the expiration to 10 to 15 minutes. The current auction is in profit, the downtrend continues. We are waiting for expiration. Roll back to the open level, but the auction is in the money. The downtrend continues on Vortex, the price does not move. Profitable expiration. We look at the signals for other assets. Again, the euro-yen and the third rebound from the Donchian midline. Vortex shows the balance in favor of sellers. VFX alert confirms the next put option. For beginners, it is better to wait for at least 3 points of changing the position of the parabolic. A rebound from the middle line of the channel allows you to open an option quickly. But, it is better to wait for confirmation from parabolic. Once again, we remind you that most profitable binary option signals will only be on trend areas. During the flat periods we remain out of the market. The price turns up, the option is at a loss. There is enough time before expiration to roll back and resume the downtrend. On cross pairs, this often happens in all Forex trading session. Price reversal and movement to the opening level. A difficult auction. If there is profit, we will end the trading session. The last auction was closed in profit. Let's summarize. less than in 32 minutes $171.00 or plus of 18% to deposit. It is the very good result.